So you guys, let's do onboarding. So I actually ordered these items from Viv Ndubu. So you know her? Viv Ndubu. If you aren't following her on Facebook, go and search for Viv Ndubu. She sells nice things. So I just ordered and my order just landed. So here, let me start with this, right? So this is the ring light. I'm onboarding, follow me. This is my chargeable ring light. It just came. I'm yet to open it. We're gonna onboard together. Then this is the tripod. This is the light. I'm gonna onboard together with you guys. Then I also ordered a set of two pairs of clothes. You know, the turkey clothes. This is clothes. It's camera far. So this is the cloth and this is microphone. I think this camera is car. Let me drag close my tripod so that you guys just a second. Yeah, so that you guys will see it very well. So here's it. Let's onboard all these items together. So where do we start from? All right, let's start from this. Right, this is a tripod, rechargeable, or call it chargeable, whichever one, rechargeable tripod. So let me see from Viv. All right, so let's go. On board with me, guys. So let's go. My tripod I've been using, you know, is not chargeable. So when she advertised this one that is chargeable, I see it as something that would be nice. So the power bank or no power bank, light or no light, you can use it. Sometimes it's so embarrassing while you are making your video with the power fails. The ring light fails with the power. So to be on a safer side, so you have to get chargeable ring light. What are you saying tripod? Yeah, you know tripod is the stand. The major thing here, the cocoa, is the ring light, right? So this one is chargeable. So when it is charged, you don't have problem with light, right? So let's get this. I'm not going to fix it now, and I want to use it to start my show, my studio work. So I will stand it and you see, I have tripod before, I have ring light before, but this chargeable one got me attracted from Turkey by Vivi. So let's get this. Now just let's see what is inside this chargeable. That's what is inside it. Let's see what is inside it. Try to see with me. Oh wow. So guys, you guys, this is my chargeable. Wow, you guys, my chargeable ring light. Let me get this. Yes, I've not used chargeable before. It's been that when light interrupts, ring light interrupts with light, right? This is it. I think this is where you fix it here and plug it. I'm not fixing everything now, but guys, let's try it now. Since it is chargeable, let's see whether it's not plugged anywhere. I'm just onboarding it. So let's see if it will give us light. Wow, 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 wow. You guys, look at it. Look at it. That means whether you plug it on the light direct or not, you can use it. Okay, guys, so that is it. Like I said, if there is no light, it's already charged. All you need to do is to plug it on your tripod, and there you go. That is what exactly got me attracted to this. Like I said, I have ring lights, but this particular one is chargeable. It is so good, guys, and it will last as long as you want. So there's a place you can plug it, right? So that's just it. Let me off it and save my power, right? So yeah, so you have, there is cord. Let me see what are the other things inside. So so you charge it, you plug it to a charger head, and you start using it just the way you use your little ring light. But this one is special, right? It's special. Yes, guys, so this is it from Viv, right? This is it from Viv. I love this. Yeah, it's affordable. It's Turkey product. This one is Turkey product. It's very, very affordable. So that is why I ordered this and it landed today. item, remember I told the other two pairs. There are two pairs of cloth, skirt and blouse. So let us unveil this. Let us unboard this, right? I will unboard this not just to show you. I'm gonna put it on so you see how it looks amazing. You see what exactly this looks like. It's really awesome. You know, as I saw it on her walls, but now that she has sent it, let me unveil and go put it on. You see what it looks like, right? All right. Line of inside. Wow, 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 wow. Hold on, let me. Wow, 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 wow. I will show you guys how this looks. Oh, wow. It looks amazing. Yeah, now I got this time. Wow, this is the top. This is the top. This is the top. This is the top. There's it, right? There's the back, there's the front. Yeah. Wow, this is the skirt. You guys, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. See, it looks like sequins, right? I want to tell you for sure, it's not our regular sequence. So look at this. This is a very different type of sequence, and I love this. How does it look? Okay, so this is my review from Viv. In the Viv items are very nice. So this two piece is truly given. It worth the price. You know, it worth the price. Yeah, so it is nice. I love it. So it landed yesterday. I ordered yesterday. Within an hour, it was here. Right. So I'm just doing my review. So I love it as well. It is so nice. So the back view. That's simply the back view. Yeah. So you guys, if you need any of those items, especially this one of ring light, chargeable one, oh dear content creator, what are you waiting for? Most of when I see your post looks so dark, looks like not bright. It does not attract attention if it isn't bright. Sometimes I know it is NEPA in Nigeria. Yes, when you're making content, power fails, it disappoints, and sometimes it can be so embarrassing. You know, I'll be on show, live show, sometimes power fails, and because my ring light goes with light, so when power fails, ring light fails with power, right? So but if you have the chargeable one, I'm glad I have the chargeable one now. So you have this type right now, you know, so you don't have problem. You fix it, you start till you end, nothing embarrasses you like lights, right? So please, if you need it, get her. Viv Ndubu, just get her, give her a call, give her a DM. She's gonna get it at your doorstep, whether you're in Lagos or outside Lagos. I ordered today, it wasn't up to an hour, it got to me. Isn't that amazing, guys?